Ever feel like you're stranded on a deserted island even when surrounded by people? You're not alone. Making friends can be tough, like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But what if I told you there's a secret code, a cheat sheet to unlock the world of friendship? This isn't about cheesy pickup lines or pretending to be someone you're not. This is about being yourself, finding your tribe, and building genuine connections that last. Think of it like this. Friendship is a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving, listening and sharing, and being there for each other through thick and thin. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic adventure, a quest to conquer the art of making friends wherever life takes you. School. It's like a jungle out there, right? The hustle and bustle, the cliques, the chaos. It can feel overwhelming. Navigating crowded hallways and dodging flying food can feel like an extreme sport. It's a daily adventure filled with unexpected twists and turns. But fear not, intrepid explorer. Even in this concrete jungle, friendships can blossom. It's all about finding your tribe, your people, those who get you. First rule of the schoolyard safari: be approachable. It's easier said than done, but it's the first step to making connections. Ditch the resting grumpy face and flash a smile. It's like a beacon signaling, hey, I'm friendly territory. A simple smile can open doors you never knew existed. Next, find your watering hole. This is where you'll meet people who share your interests and passions. Join a club, try out for a team, or volunteer for a cause you care about. These activities are perfect for meeting like-minded individuals. Shared interests are like magnets, drawing like-minded people together. Whether it's a love for art, sports, or gaming, there's a group out there for you. Don't be afraid to make the first move. It can be intimidating, but it's worth it. See someone struggling with a locker combination. Offer a helping hand. Small gestures can lead to big friendships. Overhear someone talking about your favorite game? Jump into the conversation. Shared interests are the perfect icebreakers. Remember, everyone's looking for connection. Even the most confident-looking person is hoping to find their place. Be the one to bridge the gap. Take the initiative, and you'll find that making friends isn't as daunting as it seems. The jungle of school can become a garden of friendships with the right approach. Sports aren't just about winning and losing, they're a goldmine for friendships. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a bench-warming enthusiast, the playing field is fertile ground for camaraderie. Teammates share a common goal, a passion for the game that transcends differences. You sweat together, celebrate victories together, and learn from defeats together. These shared experiences forge bonds that extend beyond the court, field, or track. But it's not just about the game itself. Engage with your teammates off the field too. Grab a burger after practice, organize a study session, or just hang out and talk about anything but sports. Remember, the more you invest in these relationships, the stronger they become. And who knows, you might just discover a lifelong friendship along the way. In the digital age, online platforms have become virtual playgrounds for connection. They offer a space where geographical boundaries dissolve, and friendships can blossom across continents. Social media, gaming communities, and online forums offer endless opportunities to connect with people who share your interests. Whether you're into gaming, music, art, or any other hobby, there's a community out there waiting for you. But navigating the online world requires a delicate touch. It's not just about making connections, it's about making the right connections and doing so safely. Here are a few tips to level up your social stats and make meaningful connections online. First, be authentic. Authenticity is the cornerstone of any genuine relationship, whether online or offline. Be authentic. Just like in the real world, authenticity is key. People appreciate honesty and can often tell when someone is being disingenuous. Don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your true self and let your personality shine through your online presence. Find your tribe. Join groups, forums, and communities that align with your passions. These spaces are where you'll find like-minded individuals who share your interests and values. Engage meaningfully. Participate in discussions. Offer support, and share your own experiences. The more you contribute, the more you'll get out of these interactions. Be mindful of your digital footprint. Think before you post, and always be respectful of others. Remember, what you share online can have lasting impacts. Remember, online friendships can be just as real and rewarding as offline ones. They can provide support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. Just be sure to prioritize your safety and well-being. Always be cautious about sharing personal information, and be aware of the potential risks. By following these tips, you can navigate the online world with confidence and make connections that enrich your life. Step away from the screen and into your community. Local events are treasure troves of potential friendships waiting to be unearthed. Concerts, festivals, farmers markets, and volunteer opportunities draw people together around shared experiences. Volunteering in particular is a fantastic way to meet like-minded people while making a difference. Whether you're passionate about animal welfare, environmental conservation, or supporting the homeless, there's a volunteer opportunity out there for you. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people around you. Ask questions, share your own story, and be open to learning from others. You never know who you might meet and what friendships might blossom. Think of conversation as a game, and your words are the tools of the trade. But here's the catch. It's not about dominating the conversation or showing off your vocabulary. It's about listening, engaging, and finding common ground. Start by asking open-ended questions. Instead of "Do you like video games?" try "What kind of video games are you into?" This shows genuine interest and opens the door for further conversation. Be an active listener. Make eye contact, nod your head, and offer verbal cues to show you're paying attention. People are more likely to open up when they feel heard and understood. And remember, humor is your secret weapon. A well-placed joke or funny anecdote can break the ice and create a more relaxed atmosphere. Let's face it, we've all been there. The awkward silence, the fumbled introduction, the accidental slip of the tongue. Embarrassing? Maybe. A deal breaker? Absolutely not. Embrace the awkwardness, laugh it off, acknowledge it, and move on. Chances are, the other person is just as nervous as you are. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's how we recover from them that defines us. So, the next time you find yourself in an awkward situation, don't clam up or disappear into your hoodie. Own it, learn from it, and keep the conversation flowing. Ready for some next-level friendship hacks? Whether you're looking to make new friends or strengthen existing relationships, these tips are for you. These simple yet effective strategies can help you break the ice, spark conversations, and build rapport with anyone, anywhere. Imagine walking into a room and instantly connecting with people. Sounds great, right? Let's dive into the compliment connector, a technique that never fails to make a positive impression. Everyone loves a genuine compliment. It's a universal truth that a kind word can brighten someone's day. Notice something you like about someone, their shoes, their sense of humor, their taste in music, and let them know. Compliments can be about anything, as long as they are sincere. It's a simple yet powerful way to make someone feel good and open up a conversation. Compliments can break down barriers and create an instant connection. Moving on to the common ground. Hunter, another fantastic way to build rapport. People are naturally drawn to those they perceive as similar to themselves. This is why finding common ground is so effective. Look for common interests, hobbies, or experiences to connect with others. It could be anything from a shared love for a particular sport to a mutual interest in a TV show. It could be as simple as bonding over a shared love for a particular band or a mutual dislike for a certain vegetable. The key is to find something you both care about. Lastly, there's the name game, a small but mighty trick. Remembering someone's name is like giving them a small gift. It shows that you see them as an individual and that they matter to you. It shows you're paying attention and that you value them as an individual. People love hearing their own name. It makes them feel recognized and important. Repeat their name back to them when you first meet them and try to use it naturally throughout the conversation. This reinforces your connection and helps you remember their name better. These simple hacks may seem small, but they can have a big impact on your ability to build meaningful connections. By using these techniques, you'll find it easier to make friends and deepen your relationships. So go ahead, give them a try, and watch your social life flourish. Congratulations, you've planted the seed of friendship. Now it's time to nurture it and watch it grow. Just like any relationship, friendships require effort and attention to thrive. Make time for your friends, even when life gets busy. Schedule regular hangouts, check in with each other via text or social media, and be there for each other through thick and thin. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with your friends. This creates a deeper level of trust and intimacy. Remember, friendship is a two-way street. Be there for your friends when they need you, and don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it too. Ever heard of the dreaded friend zone? It's often portrayed as a place of romantic purgatory, where unrequited feelings go to die. But here's the truth. The friend zone is a myth. If someone sees you as a friend, it's not a rejection, it's a redirection. It means they value you as a person and want you in their life, just not in a romantic way. And that's okay. Don't try to force a romantic connection where it doesn't exist. Respect their feelings, cherish the friendship you have, and keep your heart open to other possibilities. So there have it. You've unlocked the secrets to making friends everywhere. Now go forth and befriend. Remember, be yourself, be open, be kind, and most importantly, have fun. Building friendships is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride and cherish the connections you make along the way.